Hey guys! Today I'm working on the Jeep Wrangler again. The projects never seem to be ending with this one, but that's alright, we're having fun. I need an alignment due to the tire wear, and I figured my tie rod ends are getting a little bit loose, so I figured I'd just spend a little bit extra money, replace those two, and then get an alignment for everything. So today's project is replacing the tie rod ends. Let's get to it. Alright, here's the parts I'm replacing. Let me just make sure they all look right before I start taking things off the Jeep. This is why, let me get you a better view. This is why I feel like they need to be replaced. They should have some resistance, which they do. They're not that bad, but like this one's real loose. They're not the worst I've seen, but it's time. It's a cheap replacement, so let's get it done. Okay, there's a couple kind of specialty tools you guys are gonna need for this job. They're a tie rod end puller, I think, or like a pitman arm puller. All those things work, and then a pretty large hammer. So we're gonna try a couple different methods. The easiest method is with the hammer, but I found that many times that's not enough. So let's get started. See how long this takes me. Just one note, guys, to get your alignment back pretty close, and you wanna try to keep it as close as possible to lower what the alignment shop has to do and save yourself time and them time, is count the number of threads when you unscrew these things. So then screw it in the same number of threads that you unscrewed it, and you should be pretty close. Alright guys, there might be a ton of weird camera angles in this. I apologize, but gotta get the shot. Whew, that's hot. Whew, 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 whew. Damn. Alright. Now you got that out, put it back on, and give her a whack. Oh, got her. And that's why you need multiple tools. All right. All right, I'm putting that back in just to hold until I can get the other side out. So let's go do the other side, and then we'll take this whole bar out and replace both tie rod ends. Gotta get the hammer in there. Oh, I made myself room. Nice. Alright guys, here's my quick tip of the day. If this is stuck in and you don't have a good vise or something to get leverage off of, put one end back in and then use that end to get your leverage. And then you'll get it turning eventually. So guys, this has been a frustrating replacement for me. I ended up not filming a lot of the install. It's pretty standard for tie rod ends. There's lots of videos out there, but what I found was these OEM parts that are made by other manufacturers are not really OEM. They've got slight differences that cause me some frustration, and I'll show you a clip of like one of the bolts was too long and it hit the frame, so I ended up cutting that off. And yeah, just a lot of frustration with this one and some wasted money. I should have just, if I had realized, I would have bought like an upgraded part, one of the aluminum tie rod ends, or like a full set. So anyway, lesson learned for me. These Jeeps, you might as well just buy upgrades. So I hope you like what video I'll piece together for this. It's gonna be a shorter one, but anyway, enjoy. Hope you learned something, and I'm gonna go do something more fun. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.